welcome back to my channel. It's KyReviews. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with another bold unit. This one is actually courtesy of Main Concept, and I won this in their mystery giveaway, so I wasn't expecting that they will send this, but I really love it because the color is so beautiful and so poppin', because this color is a hot pink. And I know I reviewed other ones, but they were more like a cotton candy pink. So I was just more like, wow, this color is so beautiful. As you can see here, she is so gorgeous from head to toe. This one is named Trendy Girl 01. And this is kind of like inspired by the Cardi B wig. She has something exactly like this one. And I'm glad that they actually came out with something that's on trend, so that way we could kind of like, you know, get the same styles but much more affordable. But she is about like 22 inches long. She's reaching me right here. She's not that, you know, long either, which is great because I know a lot of these units, these bright colored units, are usually 30 inches long or even longer. So I'm glad that they even made it like this as well. I don't mind this little slight bump at the end either. It's very cute. This is what the parting space looks like here. I didn't do anything to it, but I did cut the baby hairs. Now, as far as the baby hairs goes, as you guys know, I do not like baby hairs at all. But if you are into baby hairs, they are short enough, about 1 centimeter long. So it's not, you know, you don't need to trim it or anything. It will be perfect. But it's bad enough that I don't like baby hairs, and then to top it off, it's like gray baby hairs. So there's no way I'm gonna be doing that. But I cut them out. I'm not really feeling it for myself. So this is what the stock cord looks like right here. The model is rocking the hot pink, which is FMH hot pink. And there's another color here. It's like a pink as well, but it's a rose pink. I'm not feeling that pink. It's not really cute to me, but this one, they picked a really good one for me. I really love this color. Here's what the back of the stock card looks like. They also have like a red and a blue, which is really pretty, and some other ones as well. I think it's like a kind of wine red. I'm not too sure. And they also have like a color 4 with the same kind of blonde piece at the front as well. These colors, they only have these colors of what you see here, so only 6 of them. So if you're looking for like this type of style but in a color 1, I highly suggest that you go check out the tray that I reviewed as the boutique bundles. I will put those in the information card up here. I reviewed a color 1 as well as a burgundy mix. So if you want something that is a middle part unit and this length, definitely check out those videos. This wig is for those who want to go and be popping and be on trend, hence the name. So if you are looking for something that is more on trend, something that's very similar to Cardi B's hair or any other influencer that you might follow that happen to rock this unit, this style, then definitely check it out. I would leave links down below so you can check them out. So this unit sports 3 combs, 2 at the parting space and 1 at the back with adjustable straps. So that's what the construction of this unit is. Here is braided down. I haven't used any combs either, so yeah, this is just me popping it on with adjustment just a little bit, because you know my head isn't so small, so I don't need to do too much adjusting. But anyway, you guys, let me show you the back. So this is what she's looking like. So it's not too bad. I like it. It's a very cute unit. It's so poppin' and so pink. She's really pretty. Thank you, Main Concept, for sending me this unit. This is a really cute mystery wig that I received. It's very cute. I love it. I would leave all the links down below so you could go purchase it. I will leave about like 4 to 5 links depending on where I could find it, but just know it's just only 6 colors as you see on the stock card. So yeah, let me know if you like this unit. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so you can be notified, and I'll see you guys in another wig review. Bye.